Sup guys, I'm back and I forgot this cause I forgot I undownloaded the whatever. Okay, wait, why did I even turn off my webcam? Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna just whatever guys, just what matters of my webcam. Why did I even have I forgot I deleted my webcam, but whatever guys. Okay. So this is part 2 and then this is what I'm gonna do. I just use okay, whatever. Let's just do it. Okay, code. Let's do the code. So first one, let's do it. So when flag clicked, oh yeah, this flag clicked, you get the controls forever, and then you go. If edge bounced, and that's not it yet. It's not how it's the. Yeah, it's not gonna go up yet because this is not it. And then the backdrop, which is the background, is just okay. If you don't know again, look, this button, okay, this button backdrop, okay. And then I'm gonna do outdoors, indoors. I'm gonna do outdoors. Night City, yes. It's dark, yes. Yeah, it's not gonna go up yet. The backdrop doesn't make magic. Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna do this. There's these, the other ones you don't need to use them. Most all of them, yep. When flag clicked, and then get it if then. Okay, let's go to sensing. Oh yeah, the line. It didn't mean the line, but the line. Where's the line? Okay, yeah, line. Here. Okay, and then you should just change the line. I'm gonna change the line to black. I'm gonna change it to black. Guys, I'm gonna change it to black. I'm gonna bring all of them back. Add 0, 0, 0. There. All of them zeros. Wait, oh yeah, I'm on the wrong one. If touching color, all of them 0, 0, 0. If touching, okay, all of them are zeros. Sensing, touching. Okay, there, one of them. Oh yeah, you can't see a forever thingy. With them touching. Okay, where's looks? Switch costume to. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. It's the Y. Change Y to 10. Control forever. And events flag. Okay, let's click on it. Oh yes, it worked. Okay, so okay. Sure. Yeah. Okay, I need to do it. Okay, I'm gonna move this right here. Save now. Okay. We're gonna do it like this. And that's it, guys. So, peace out. Okay. And make sure you share if you want it to be public, or you can save it too. Okay. And then, so we can see you guys. So, peace out, everybody. Peace out.